Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a rotten smoothie for your movie. First, let's gather some safe, non-toxic ingredients to create a truly convincing prop. We'll focus on textures and colors that naturally mimic decay, ensuring the final product looks genuinely unappetizing. Remember, safety is paramount, so all materials must be harmless for your actors and crew during filming. This easy method will help you achieve a gross, yet safe, visual. For the base, instant mashed potatoes work wonderfully, providing a thick, murky consistency. To achieve those truly rotten hues, mix green, brown, and black food coloring. Start with small amounts and gradually add more until you reach the desired level of decay. Incorporating a small quantity of used coffee grounds can add a realistic, gritty texture, enhancing the illusion of spoilage without any actual foul odors. When blending, use a low setting to ensure you maintain some chunky textures, which are key to a rotten look. Overblending will result in a smooth, unconvincing smoothie, so aim for a lumpy, unappetizing consistency. For an extra touch of realism, you might consider adding small, soft pieces of dark fruit, like overripe banana or prune, to simulate decaying solids within the mixture. This adds depth and visual interest to your prop. Once your rotten smoothie is blended, carefully pour it into a clear glass or a prop container that will be visible on camera. For an extra touch of gross realism, a few drops of clear gloss or even a light mist of hairspray can give it a slimy, unappetizing sheen. Always ensure your actors know this is a prop and not for consumption. And speaking of valuable insights, check the description below for a link to a fantastic book about money, plus other great deals you won't want to miss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.